Everyone, welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today we will be learning the basics of number system. So what is number system? How many types of number systems are there? Let's see. Let's look into it. Okay. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like my video, please do hit the like button. And if you feel like someone of any of your friends would like to share these videos, you can share it with your friends. Okay, let's get into the topic. So types of in number system, let's look into the types of number system. So we have different types of numbers in the number system. So there are different types of numbers. So coming to the different types of numbers, we have 5 different types of numbers. The first one is natural numbers. The first one is natural numbers. And the second one is whole numbers. Whole numbers. And the third one is, what is the third one? Third one is integers. Okay. And the fourth one is rational numbers. And the fifth one is irrational numbers. So in today's video, we will be learning about all these types of numbers. Now, in today's video, we will be learning about natural numbers and whole numbers. And now, what is a natural number? So now we have in number system, we have 5 types of numbers. Okay, now let's learn each and every type of numbers individually. Now coming to the whole numbers. So under types of number system, So under types of number systems, we have different types of number systems. So the first types of number system is natural number system. The natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Numbers which start from 1 and end to infinity are called natural numbers. The numbers which start from 1 are called natural numbers. Example, what are natural numbers? Numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to infinity are called natural numbers. And what is the second type of number system we have learned? We have learned the second type of number system is whole numbers. In whole numbers, we have different types of numbers again in whole numbers. So in whole numbers, we have 4 different types of numbers. So what are they? The first type of whole number is even numbers. So we have even numbers. And the second type is odd numbers. What is the second type? The second type is odd numbers. And the third type is prime numbers. What is the third type? It is prime numbers. And fourth type is composite numbers. Now let's learn each and every number individually. Okay. Now today we will be learning what are whole numbers. Okay, now what are whole numbers? So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers which start from 0. The numbers which start from 0 are called whole numbers. The numbers which start from 0 are called whole numbers. And for example, the numbers which start from 0 are whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to infinity. Now let's learn about even numbers, odd numbers. Let's learn about even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. Now, what are even numbers? So, in whole numbers, we have different types. So, the first type is even numbers. So what is the first type of number? It is even numbers. What are even numbers? The numbers even numbers. What are even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called whole numbers. What is an even number? The number which is divisible by 2. The number which is divisible by 2 are called the numbers which are, let's say, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Let's look into what are they. What are they? The numbers which are divisible by 2. What are they? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. So these are called even numbers. So what are these called? These are called even numbers. Now let's look into what are odd numbers. The second type of number system in whole numbers is odd numbers. So what are odd numbers? It's very simple. The opposite of even numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. What are they, for example? For example, they are 1, 3, they are 1, 3 and what are they? Let's see, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So these are called odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2. Numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. And then what are prime numbers? The third type of number system, numbers in whole numbers, is prime numbers. The numbers which has no factors, the numbers which has no factors other than 1 and itself are called prime numbers. The numbers which have no factors, which do not have factors apart from 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. So what are they? What are they? Let's look into it. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, then 13, then 17 and so on. Now you can observe here 2 is an even number again, isn't it? 2 is an even number and 3 is an odd number. So the numbers which do not have factors apart from 1 and itself are called prime numbers. You can check it out here. What are the factors of 2? 2 has factors 1 and 2, whereas 3, 1 and 3. 5, 1 and 5. Are there any other numbers apart from that? No. So there are no other numbers apart from that. So that's the reason we can take it as 2 as prime number. The next type of numbers we are going to learn is composite numbers. What are composite numbers? The numbers which has more than one factor other than 1 and itself. The numbers which has more than one factor apart from, this is F, apart from 1 and itself are called composite numbers. So the number should have more than one factor. Okay. So for example, you can take it as 4. So let's look into the factors. So let's look into the examples. Now look at the whole numbers. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on. Now see here 4. What are the factors of 4? 4 has 1, 2 and 4. And what are the factors for 6? 6 has 1, 2, 3 and 6. Isn't it? And what are the factors of 8? See here 1, 2, 4, 8. So each and every number in the composite number have one extra factor apart from 1 and itself. So that's why more than one factor apart from 1 and itself. So those numbers are called composite numbers. Now there is one more note I want to tell you, that is note. What is that? So did you observe here? So is 1 a prime number or a composite number? No. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Notice 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So you can remember this. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please hit on the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.